Hey guys, my name is Tim and welcome to a new video. Today we're making bacon muffins with a bread mixture filling, or in German I would say we make a Knödel filling for the muffin. And we will serve them on a really delicious mushroom cream sauce.
The first thing we need to do is to start with our muffin filling. This means we have to cut some buns or bread in cubes. Give them into a bowl.
For the bread I would just use normal buns from the previous day, but when you want a more unique taste you can use a pretzel or pretzel rolls as well. It's really delicious.
Grease your muffin forms well and line with bacon. Preheat your circulating air oven to 180 degrees. When you use flat parsley, you don't need that much parsley, because flat parsley has a much more stronger flavor than curly leaf parsley. Finely chop some parsley. Give some streaky bacon and oregano into a pot and add some milk. Bring it to a boil and season with nutmeg and pepper. Pour some hot bacon milk over your bun cubes and let them soak up all the liquid. Beat the eggs and give it with half of the parsley to your bun cubes. And mix it without kneading your mixture. It should be as loose as possible. Spread the mass into the hollows of your muffin tin. Give your muffins into the oven and let it bake for 25 minutes.
Tip: if you want you can place an oven-proof bowl with water on the bottom of your oven. The water will evaporate and we will get steam, and with the steam we get a much hotter baking temperature. With the hotter baking temperature we get an even crust and a much more crispier bacon.
Now clean your mushrooms.
We will use a kitchen towel or a brush, because when we clean our mushrooms with water, the mushroom will absorb the water and will get muddy. Now I have another tip for you. When your mushrooms are really dirty and you have to use water to clean your mushroom, give some flour and water together and mix it. Give your mushrooms for some seconds into that water. The water with the flour will be work as a sandpaper on the mushroom and your mushroom will be clean in no time.
Cut depending on the size of your mushrooms in half or quarters. Finely chop some shallots. Heat some oil in a pan. Saute mushrooms in medium to high heat. After 5 minutes add your shallots. Season with salt and pepper. Deglaze with white wine and let it boil down completely. Now add some vegetable or beef broth. Let it boil for 5 more minutes. Add some semi-rigid cream with the rest of the parsley to your mushrooms and heat everything again. Season with salt and pepper. Carefully take out the muffins from the tin and serve them on your mushroom vegetables. And at last, it's time to try our dish.
The muffin is really delicious. We have the knödel or the bread mixture that is really fluffy because we didn't knead the dough, and that is surrounded with a really crispy and salty bacon. And it goes really well with our elegant mushroom cream sauce. I would really recommend to try this at home. And when you try this at home and want to send me a picture, you can send me a picture via Instagram or Twitter. The links are down below in the description. So I hope you enjoyed this video and had a great day. I see you next time and bye!